We're going to do problem 4 in lesson 4.4 and 4.5. And this particular problem deals with finding the z-score, which is the standardized score that's associated with a value from the data set, okay? And we've seen this before. Z is equal to the value, whatever value that we're trying to normalize, or not normalize, but standardize, excuse me, and minus the mean over the standard deviation. So let's get to the problem. We're to convert these scores to z-scores, okay? The mean is 500, the standard deviation is 70, and I'm going to write down each one so that we can see it, and then we'll put the values in after we get all the calculations done. So we'll say 4, 380. Or 515. Or 450. Or 670. Okay. Now let's go to the document camera and carry out the work. For 380, remember the mean was 500, the standard deviation was 70. It's just a matter of calculation. Z is equal to 380 minus 500 over 70. So we're going to get a negative value. Whenever we get a negative z value, we're below the mean. Remember, a z value really gives us the number of standard deviations that we are from above the mean or below the mean. So anyway, I'm going to carry this work out. I'm going to get a negative value, but we're going to get, this is going to give us a negative 120 over 70, which is equal to a negative 1.714. We don't know when we'll round it when we get, because I should have noticed how many places behind the decimal we were supposed to have. But anyway, see, excuse me. Excuse me. Z is equal to 515 minus 500 all over 70. So in this case, we're going to get 15 divided by 70, right? So we have 15 divided by 70, and this gives us 0.21429. Okay, and for 450, Z is equal to 450 minus 500 divided by 70, which is equal to a negative 50 divided by 70. And it's going to come out to be negative, so it's going to be a negative 0.714 29. And last, get it to where you can see it. Z is equal to 670 minus 500 all over 70, which is going to be equal to 170 divided by 70. And 170 divided by 70 equals 2.4286. Okay, now we'll take those values back to the and put them in the answer. And we round it to 2 decimal places. And we have, let's see it, a negative 1.71. Negative 1.71. Okay. Next one. .21. Okay. 0.21. And the next one negative 0.71. Negative 0.71. And the last one is 2.4. We round this to 3 to be 4.3. Okay, that's it.